I'm excited. Just got something in my mailbox. Let's go check it. What do you think it is? Here's my mailbox. Since it doesn't do anything else. Oh, there it is. Who pops the hood? We don't even have a grill or an engine. Starlink. Not just any Starlink, it's the newest Starlink Mini. Let's open this box and see what it comes with. You can see this now. So I got the Starlink. Let's open this guy up and see what all comes with the Starlink Mini. Specifically, I got this because it's $50 a month instead of $150 a month. And you can still go around and travel around the country, around the world for the most part. It's available for like 30% of the world. Alright, there it is. You got these pull tabs on 3 sides, but not all 4 sides, so pretty easy. Now, I guess you got instructions right here. Looks simple. It literally says just plug it in and then go from there. Which I am going to have to put you down for a second here soon, because you need your phone to scan the QR code right there. But pretty nifty. Never had a satellite before. Unsure what this actually amounts to or how that's going to work in an RV or a Jeep, but we'll discuss that in a later video. Comes with a plug cord converter and a nice cool satellite dish there with a protective layer on it. Kill that guy off. Throw it to the side. It actually is a little bit dirty. But cool. Now you got, it's like 20 feet of cable, so plenty of cable to set it along the camp or find a good spot, then still be where you want to be. Unsure what the range is actually of the mini router to see if you can even connect at full length, but I'll try that out. That's the unboxing. It comes with everything you need. So you got the dish, you got the cable, and you got the plug. Now I'm just curious, how long will I actually get out of a 500 watt Jackery with this? Because if the Mini is power hungry, then I'm going to need a bigger box for power output. Let's see. Let's get it plugged in. Give me 2 seconds. It's kind of deep in there, but if you just fish it down in there and push, make sure it's seated appropriately. Let's see. It is taking, initial startup is 52 watts. Let's see what we got here. I'll flip it over so you can start seeing satellites. It looks like the power output is roughly 47 to 50 watts, which means I'm definitely going to need more power. That's pretty power hungry. I didn't think it would be that much. Alright, so something cool, but also kind of a downside also. Like I said also twice, now 3 times. But anyway, I have it sitting right here in the sunroof, like that, and I am getting 63 megabytes per second. But the downside is this, and brake real quick so I can turn around the camera. You have to plug it into a AC outlet, and it doesn't work with like a 12 volt car outlet, which I wish they would come out with.